Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know, my name is Tifa and I have arrived in Osaka, Japan. This is a little room tour of our hotel room at Hotel The Lebanon in Osaka, and it's actually a really nice hotel. Now, of course, here is the bathroom tour. This is actually quite a spacious bathroom for a hotel in Japan. I was really impressed, and I really loved the shower bath area as well, because sometimes these shower heads are quite low, so this one was quite high. And like any Japan hotel room tour, here is the toilet. And here is our kind of view from outside. It's not too much of a view, it's just kind of the buildings around, but yeah. So this is our first day in Osaka, and we are going to Osaka Castle and Osaka Castle Park. There were lots of cherry blossoms around, lots of yummy food, and a lot of things to explore here. It was our first day, so seeing all the cherry blossoms in this area was amazing. This video of my time in Osaka, Japan is sort of like a montage of different things, because some of the things I didn't get to film as much, or I filmed too much and had to put in a separate video, but here is a collection of what I did in a week in Osaka. Whilst we were in Osaka, one of the things I really wanted to do was go to the Chainsaw Man Cafe, and I actually got to do that. It was a lot of fun. I've been to a few themed cafes, and this one's probably my favorite because the food was actually okay. We almost didn't actually get into here, but we were very lucky and was able to go on the last day that it was in Osaka. I spent another day doing a IRL stream while in Osaka. Hello, oh hi Christian. No sound, not home. Oh, okay, no worries. Hi. Starbucks. Okay. I did this over on Twitch, and I said to you guys that I wanted to do an IRL stream for my birthday. In the shopping mall that we're in. Everyone, that's good. We're at the Shonen Jump store. How cool is this? OMG anime. Hello Scott. Hi everyone. Also thank you all for the birthday wishes. Thank you for the birthday gift subs as well. How cool is this? There were so many cool little things in the Shonen Jump store. It was really fun to show you guys what they had in here. There was just so much. This is the Pokemon Center Cafe. The whole store is really cute. Breathing. Oh man, I wish. How cool. How cool is this? Oh, I'm not walking into someone else's phone. Let's go around. Of course, we had to go out in Osaka during nighttime because everything is just lit up. What's up, Spider-Man? Konnichiwa! But yeah, there's so many other things. I showed you all the sights of Osaka, and honestly, it was a lot of fun. We also managed to find an arcade and decided to give a crack at these sort of claw machine games. It was interesting, and I think that the attendant that was working there thought it was quite funny that we were trying to stream this at the same time. He was very, very lovely.
Oh. Turn. Perfect. Yay!
Eventually, we did get Kuromi. One of the other things we, of course, had to do while in Osaka was go to Universal Studios Japan. I was very happy that I got to see Hello Kitty and that we got to go to Nintendo World. There is a lot of really cool stuff to do at Universal, so obviously that's a separate video. But there were awesome things at Nintendo World. There were awesome things to do with different animes such as Spy Family and Jujutsu Kaisen. It was just a really, really good time, and I really did enjoy it. There was this adorable cafe near our hotel called Otto, and we had to go sit down, have some breakfast there for one of the days, which is definitely what we did. And we had some cute cakes, we had some coffee, some matcha tea. It was a really nice breakfast. There were so many good places to eat in Osaka, but unfortunately I didn't film all of them. There was just so much. One of the really cool things that I wanted to do while here was go to one of these TeamLab exhibitions. I've been to one of the ones in Tokyo, but this is one in Osaka, which is the Botanical Gardens. And it was so cool seeing all these things, these kind of like alien eggs that you could touch and feel. It was really interesting, and it was all through these beautiful gardens at night. They also had this kind of light show on, I don't know, these like, I don't know what to call them, these rocks, these kind of boulders, and the lights and movement change whenever a bird goes past or there's wind or some sort of movement. It ends up changing, and it's so cool and magical to see out there. There were also these huge egg balloons that you could touch and move around. They were gigantic, but really, really cool. It was so much fun to play around with them. There's also this part of the forest where you kind of see this interesting light show happening. It's almost like calligraphy, but without any words. on the lake that was in the middle of the Botanic Gardens. They had all these little lights that would change, and they synchronized to music that's played around there, which I think is quite cool. That was one of the last things that we got to do while in Osaka, and one of my favorite things, honestly. We did take a few trips outside of Osaka, but that was what we did while we were there. Now it's time to travel to Tokyo. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below if you guys have been to Osaka and what your favorite thing to do there was. If you want to see more anime and Japan related content, then don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!